Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss December 2021 current affairs and it is extremely important for your CMAT 2022 exam. Also if you want this PDF then you can join our Telegram group. I will put the link in description. So the first question is the working week of only 4.5 days is announced by which country? So the answer is UAE. Which app has been launched by Education Ministry to facilitate learning of 22 official languages? So the answer is Bhasha Sangam. Energy Conservation Week is observed by, so it is observed by Bureau of Energy Efficiency in December. Who won the Royal Gold Medal 2022? So this was won by Balkrishna Doshi in architecture. UNICEF new chief. So the answer is Catherine Russell. International Anti-Corruption Day is observed on, so this is observed on 9 December by UNDP. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Rural. So this is extended till which year? So it is extended till 2024. Which country is the biggest captor of journalists as per the report by Reporters Without Borders (RSF)? So the answer is China. NIPER Amendment Bill seeks to accord the Institute of National Importance status to which category of institutions? So the answer is Institutes of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. 1,000 Atal Tinkering Labs have been announced by Niti Aayog in which state? So the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. The largest retail payment system in India as per RBI. So it is UPI. The Institute of Human Brands Power Couple Rankings 2021 award goes to. So Mukesh and Neeta Ambani were the toppers. The SAARC Charter was accepted in which city? So the answer is Dhaka, 8 December 1985. Same-sex marriage is recently allowed by which South American country? So the answer is Chile. Migrant protection protocols is associated with which country? So it is associated with USA. E-Sawari India Electric Bus Coalition is launched by. So this is launched by Niti Aayog. Which is the most powerful woman as per Forbes? So the answer is Mackenzie Scott. First ranking in World Talent Ranking Report. So the answer is Switzerland. Which scheme provides LED bulbs at the rate rupees 10 only for poor people? So that would be Gram Ujala scheme, which is done by Ministry of Power. Gram Ujala scheme is applicable for how many states? So this was for 5 states: Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, UP, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Swarnim Vijay Parv commemorates India's friendship with which country? So the answer is Bangladesh. Ken Betwa rivers are tributaries of which river? So they are tributaries of Yamuna. A bridge course named Setu Patkaram is launched by which state? So this was by West Bengal. Headquarters of International Maritime Organization is in, so it is in London. Global Environment and Climate Action Citizen Award 2021 winner, so Viral Desai. BPCL will be producing green hydrogen in collaboration with, so it will be in collaboration with BARC. International Day of Neutrality is observed on which day every year? So the answer is 12th December. Saryu Canal National Project connects how many rivers? So the answer is 5 in UP. Neelmani Phukan, who won the 56th Gyanpith Award, is poet of which language? So he is of Assamese. This year, which countries were invited by India as Republic Day guests? So mainly Central Asian countries were invited. Promptive Corrective Action PCA framework came into effect on which date? So the answer is 1st October 2022. Solar Hammam is this is a water heating device. Manohari Gold Tea is associated with which state? So it is associated with Assam. Thwaites Glacier is located in, so it is located in Antarctica. PETA India Person of the Year 2021. So the answer is Alia Bhatt. Lalit Tana is a monthly literary program organized in which country? So it is organized in Madagascar. 8th Indian Ocean Dialogue is hosted in India. Which festival is added to the UNESCO Cultural Heritage List for first time in Asia? So the answer is Durga Puja. India's first green hydrogen microgrid project is launched in which state? So the answer is Andhra Pradesh. Who became only the third bowler in the history to take 10 wickets in a test match innings? So the answer is Ejaz Patel of New Zealand. And other two were Jim Laker and Anil Kumble. Who was the first bowler to take 10 wickets in a test match innings? So the answer is Jim Laker of England. The first country in EU to legalize cannabis at home and for personal use. So the answer is Malta. Indian government has approved rupees 76,000 crore scheme to boost the manufacturing of. So the answer is semiconductor and display. The author of book Pride, Prejudice and Panditry. So the answer is Shashi Tharoor. The winner of Junior Hockey World Cup 2021. So the answer is Argentina. Lakhwar multi-purpose project on which state? So this which river? Sorry. So that is Yamuna. Lakhwar multi-purpose project is in which state? So the answer is Uttarakhand. Current COS Chief of Army Staff after the demise of Bipin Rawat. So the answer is MM Naravane. World's most expensive city. So the answer is Tel Aviv. World's most cheapest city, Damascus of Syria. Time Magazine's Person of the Year 2021. So the answer is Elon Musk. GST rates on electric vehicles reduced from 12% to how much percent? So the answer is 5%. Legal marriage age of women is being increased from 18 to 21 years. Ramanujan Prize for Young Mathematicians 2021 award goes to Neena Gupta. Time Magazine's 2021 Athlete of the Year. So the answer is Simon Biles, Gymnastics. Germany's newly elected Chancellor. So the answer is Olaf Scholz. The Formula 1 World Champion 2021. So the answer is Max Verstappen. Vijay Hazare Trophy 2021 title winner state. So that is Himachal Pradesh. Which state is the best in Niti Aayog Health Index 2021 for larger states? So the answer is Kerala. India's position in Global Health Security Index 2021. So the answer is 66th. Which company has announced that it will build electric vehicles in partnership with BMW in India? So the answer is TVS Motors. The theme of Human Rights Day 2021 is Equality, Reducing Inequalities, Advancing Human Rights. Which state has the highest number of bank accounts under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? So the answer is Uttar Pradesh. So you can think, see, Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state of India, right? So from there also you can conclude. Miss Universe 2021. So the answer is Harnaj Sandhu from India. India's largest manufacturing hub state in India, that is Gujarat. Global Entrepreneur of the Year Award 2021 by TIE, the Indus Entrepreneur. So the answer is Kumar Mangalam Birla of Aditya Birla. World's largest space telescope. So the answer would be James Webb Telescope. Digital Payments Utsav for 500 villages in India is organized by. So this is organized by WhatsApp. Which device has entered the sun's upper atmosphere for the first time in history? So this is Parker Solar Probe. India's rank in Hurun Global Unicorn Index 2021 is, so the ranking is third. Number of unicorns in India were 54. India's rank in Asia Power Index 2021. So the answer is fourth. India's most valuable unicorn. So this is Byju's and EdTech company. Rank of Byju's in top 100 unicorn ranking. So the answer is 15th. The European country to announce the closure of all nuclear power plants by 2025. So the answer is Belgium. Golden Peacock Environment Management Award 2021 winner is, so that is SAIL. Samanya Varg Ayog is constituted in which state? So the answer is Himachal Pradesh. The primary objective of Mission Shakti Living Lab is, so this is for financial help of women and it also promotes gender equality. Mission Shakti Living Lab project is launched in, so this is launched in Odisha with UNCDF. Which sports personality has been awarded knighthood? So the answer is Lewis Hamilton. Men's Hockey Asian Championship Trophy 2021 winner. So the answer is South Korea. India's position in Men's Hockey Asian Championship Trophy 2021. So the answer is third. Ekuvarine, a joint military exercise of India and, so this is a joint military exercise of India and Maldives. Utkarsh Puraskar DG Dhan Award was given to, so this was for eUni, which is a PNP product. Number one position in overall digital transactions amongst large banks for financial year 2021. So the answer is Bank of Baroda. Winner of SAF Under 19 Women's Championship. So the answer is Bangladesh, and India was second. Assam awarded its highest civilian honor to Ratan Tata for the contribution towards. So the answer is cancer treatment. The objective of Shrestha scheme. So it is providing seats for the meritorious SC boys and girls in the best private residential schools in the country. Shrestha scheme is said to be launched by which union ministry? So again, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Agile, a cyber security provider, is acquired by which IT giant? So the answer is Wipro. First Indian male shuttler to win silver at BWF World Championships. So the answer is Kadambi Srikanth. Fortune India 50 most powerful women list is topped by. So the answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Men's Hockey World Cup 2021 winner. So the answer is Argentina. F1 Saudi Arabian Grand Prix 2021 winner is Lewis Hamilton. He was also awarded knighthood. Davis Cup title 2021 winner. So the answer is Russia. Which state is the best in Niti Aayog Health Index 2021 for a smaller state? So the answer is Mizoram. First female Prime Minister of Sweden. So the answer is Eva Andersson. 56th Gyanpith Award winner 2020 Nirmani Fukan Assamese. 57th Gyanpith Award winner 2021. So the answer is Damodar Mauzo, who was a poet of Konkan. First Deputy Managing Director of IMF. So the answer is Geeta Gopinath. World Sangeet Tansen Festival is organized in which state? So the answer is Madhya Pradesh. The theme of World AIDS Day 2021: End Inequalities, End AIDS and End Pandemics. Ballon d'Or Main 2021 winner. So the answer is Lionel Messi, 7th time. The state with highest employability as per India Skills Report ISR 2022. So the answer is Maharashtra. Which probe has entered the upper atmosphere of Sun? So the answer is Parker Solar Probe by NASA. Which country has announced to award PM Modi for its highest civilian award? So the answer is Bhutan. Bhutan's highest civilian award is known as. So the answer is Nagadag Pelgi Horlo. Father of biodiversity who passed away recently. So the answer is E.O. Wilson. Headquarters of NCC is in. So this is in New Delhi. Women's Ballon d'Or winner. So the answer is Alexia Putellas from Spain. Indian Ocean Conference 2021 will be hosted in which city? So the answer is Abu Dhabi. Okay, so we discussed I think more than 100 questions, around I think 110. Now after this we will see, we discussed December, right? So we will see November, October. At least these 2 months I will certainly be posting. Okay, and also I will be posting for March video. So these 3 will at least be there. So you can consider subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.